Howdy Foodie Reviews here. Hormel square table meatloaf with tomato sauce. So let's try this. So I'm not a big fan of meatloaf anymore. I'm not really a big fan of the frozen meatloaf, but this is pretty good, to be honest. I've had this before. I've reviewed this in the past, but let's try this. So you can put this in a microwave, but yeah, you can add this to spaghetti. It says open face sandwich, meatloaf with tots. So let's try this. Like I said, this isn't the most appetizing meatloaf ever. And like I said, I rarely eat meatloaf. It's just not one of my favorite foods anymore. I just get really stuffed from meatloaf. It just makes me really full. And I usually don't feel good. But every once in a while I do eat some meatloaf. So here is the meatloaf here. It's alright. It's not the greatest meatloaf ever. Like I said, homemade meatloaf is a lot better. But this is alright. I give this a 5 out of 10.